In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pepperstone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to secure.pepperstone.com and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, click onto trading account and then click onto your live account. And this is where you want to withdraw your funds from. And if you're thinking of withdrawing money from your demo account, you cannot do so. So don't think of you can get any money out of your demo account. It is just the demo. So yeah, choose live and then click onto withdraw. And another way that we can withdraw funds is to, on the left hand side, click onto funds and then click on withdraw funds. And then this is where all your funds are going to appear inside of here. Now, as you can see on my screen, it says please continue with your application process. So go ahead and click onto applications and just continue on with your application process and finish that in order to withdraw your money.